today we're at Animal Kingdom. It's Emmett's birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby!
Happy birthday!
He just woke up from a nap, so he doesn't know this day is for him. But I'm gonna put in a clip of him seeing his birthday decorations this morning, and then we're gonna go do the Festival of the Lion King. Okay, go. Surprise! Yeah! You didn't even know.
You found your own.
Wow. What do you see? Animals, yeah.
Don't do that.
You see? Wow. You like it? Happy birthday, baby. Yeah, you see the animals? What animals do you see? What do you see? What animals? Do you see a zebra? Yeah, you like your balloons? Surprise! Happy birthday! Alright, we were able to use Lightning Lane for the Lion King show. Starts at 3. It's about 10 minutes out. And this is a good one to do during this time, which is the hottest time of the day. It is currently, and it's only March, so it's not even, I feel like the summer is going to be really, really hot because it's already getting hot. It's 84 right now. And let's see what's the field temperature. Feels like 84, that's what they're saying. There's sometimes a breeze, so that's not bad, but it is getting hot. Wow, did you get your button? Look at happy birthday. Yeah. How old are you? How old are you? 4. He just woke up from a nap. He got that big yawn. He is 4 years old now. And his favorite animals. So we brought him to Animal Kingdom. We're gonna see the Lion King show he loves. We're gonna do the safari ride he loves. We're gonna walk around, see some more animals. There's a little path that you can take, a walking path. So yeah, all day for Emmett. All right, we're in. We're about 4 rows in, which is not bad for Lightning Lane. And the show hasn't started yet. But yeah, there's seating on all the sides. And it's a good spot because there's a little empty here. So Emmett is being a big boy and he's sitting by himself. He is, I just can't. 4 years old, and you know, he would always sit on our lap. And he went and sat on his bench by himself. Big boy now. And you can get these pens at any retail spot here at any of the parks or at guest services, and they'll write your name on it. And we also got the Celebrating Emmett's B-Day pens. So he got the birthday pen, which is nice. Big boys. There's more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than ever be done. There's far too much to take in here.
a party.
Come on, everybody.
A great show, never gets old. If you come to Animal Kingdom, you have to just make sure you come early enough because the animals do go away at 5. So if you come early enough, do the Lion King show. We're gonna go right into Kilimanjaro Safari. and you've banged out the animal section. If you want to do the path, that's up to you. But at least you've enjoyed Lion King and Kilimanjaro before 5 o'clock. Big boy, you like your safari hat? You ready? Go see the animals? Yeah, let's go. I'm line for this, so hoping that's a walk on.
We're on the seat. Pick one of them. Keep your hands or feet to legs inside the truck at all times. There's no eating or drinking inside the truck. It is for the safety of our animals. Last one. By looking at the trees, you will notice none of them has final rows, so they can watch each other from cradle to sunlight. Their babies can stand down and walk within 15 minutes of being born. Whenever wildebeest do stampedes, they go blind. Pay attention to their surroundings. They're also one of the animals. They are from the mountains. A group of zebras is called a
He's got one antler.
and you can tell the color of a zebra by looking at their nose. If their nose is black, that means they are a black zebra with white stripes. You can also identify them as the Harmon's mountain zebras because they have
What is that?
a little dewlap in their
What is
neck.
it?
They have a
It's
white
a
on their
zebra.
belly and their stripes are whiter than other zebras. This one having both males and females carry spotted Usually the male will get some grass and return his horns. We'll go to the female trying to impress her, and she usually just walks away as the circle flies.
See?
This one is giving us the back.
Another bum shot.
This one's are the greater flamingos.
What's that,
The
Bubba?
greater flamingos are
What's
the lightest from all species. They get their color from their diet. They
Good
eat
job.
tiny brine shrimp
Say hi, flamingo.
containing keratin,
Hi.
turning their feathers pink. So whenever flamingos have babies, their babies are actually born with gray. The cheetahs are the fastest land mammal, running up to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. However, they can just hold it for a few
Behind the rock.
hundred
Look,
yards.
Emmett.
Like must be
Emmett, look,
cats,
the cheetah.
The cheetahs prefer to hunt during the day because they have a better eyesight. They were also built for speed and now power.
Emmett,
so
you see
they're
the cheetah?
often chased
Ooh. Look at, say hi, ostrich.
Hi, ostrich. Yeah. Sure.
That's a big one, huh?
They are the world's largest bird. Despite having large wings, the ostriches can't fly. But instead, they use their large wings to change direction. Thirsty in the middle of the road.
Wow.
Oh, there's the lions.
And the baby.
Wide. No, we didn't get to see their mouth, but they have a wide mouth. No white. They like to scratch themselves with the teeth. Scratch their horns. They can get a little bit of shape. And they are the most social from all 5 rhino species. Here goes baby. This one over here with the brown coat and no horns are going to be the water bucks.
Water bucks, Bubba.
They spend
Aw,
most
they
of the
baby.
day resting. Although they are small, they are adults and they like to
Alright, spy ride's always fun. You don't know what animal's gonna be there. This is definitely a ride that I recommend to do earlier in the day because the animals like to be out during the day towards 5 o'clock. They already know their routine. They know they go inside, so they start hiding a little bit. But now we're gonna do the Wild Africa trek, see if we can see any more animals. Wow.
Yeah.
Careful.
What's up, Bubba? What's up?
Meerkat. Oh, he went away. Oh, there he is. He's on the floor. Say hi. Another my baby in the back. Whoa! Uh-oh. Are they playing?
Yeah, so they're young. Yeah, the other one is also.
Alright, so now we're stopping to get a snack. We've got it at the treat cart over there. And there wasn't any sitting, so we went over to the marketplace over here in Harambe and plenty of seating. So you can always keep walking, you'll find something. But yeah, I feel like churros are like way bigger here than in Magic Kingdom. But they're good. How's the hot dog, Mark?
That's pretty good. Basic hot dog, but not bad.
Fine. Try the cheese with it. What's that cheese with? How's your hot dog, Ma? That's good. You don't want no condiments? Mark either. You don't take hot dog with condiments either.
I put some mustard on it.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
mustard I'll put on a hot dog.
And then
Eat
Emmett,
with it.
I packed the peanut butter and jelly. Yummy, yummy?
Oh, we got peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. All right, now we're in line to see Mickey and Minnie. Are you ready? You gonna see? Do you want to put your hat on? No. Hi.
I've been waiting for you, Bud. Show your outfit off.
Sure.
I've been waiting for you.
Sure, Mickey, you look just like him. Yeah. Could you hold this for me?
Of course.
Step right over that side. This is the photo box, so we just want to make sure
Oh my gosh.
Did you see some giraffes or elephants? You see the little puppy? They have like stripes on their legs.
Oh, ah.
I think Mickey's been hanging out in the gorilla.
Too many trips on Gorilla Falls. Hey, Emmett, can you look over here?
Hey, Emmett, can you find my birds over here? And the tiger? Look at the tiger,
Emmett,
Look at the birdies. Yeah, there you
can
go.
you smile, bud?
You go, "Brr."
Ready, roar!
Wilderness Explorer.
Ready, roar! Here, come on in. Grandma and Grandpa, come on in.
All right, look at that gorilla you saw. And
Yeah.
now look at the birdie. Can you find Zazu? Where's Zazu?
Hey, Emmett, can you find Zazu?
Find Zazu. There we go.
birthday, Emmett!
And over there, guys.
Yes, here you go, my dear.
Yes. Thank you.
Of course.
Seeing Mickey and Minnie. They're so much fun. They're so cute, especially when they're together because they play off each other. So, and Emmett did good. He gets a little nervous, but he did good. He looked just like Mickey Mouse with his little safari hat. And now we're on our way to Dino Land. There's a little playground area for Emmett there. He likes to play in, so we're gonna do. I think that's our last stop. All right, we're in the fossil dig yard. And Emmett likes to play here. Emmett, honey, let him go. You want to lay down too?
Laissez votre tour, hein? Dépassez pas personne.
Honey, let him. Go down the slide. We're down the slide. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Dino Dad is always at the side. The boneyard playground is always at the front. Emmett had his running around, so did Mark. So, gonna get a snack. We're gonna head out. I think that's it for our trip today at Animal Kingdom. All right, we're at the Rainforest Cafe at Animal Kingdom. And it's actually really pretty. I've never seen it like this. They had their own fire, waterfall, an elephant shooting water. It's cute. All right. You walk into the restaurant. All right, they were able to accommodate us early. Yeah, pumping people in and out. And it looks like we're gonna be in the tiger section, which is cool. Thank you. All right, so we're sitting. Very cute. They got Emmett his booster seat, and he's got some crayons. Very nice. So when you come, so when you come in, they have a bunch of toys, and this is not a bad deal. 12 for $12. Right? And it keeps him very entertained. He loves the animals. He doesn't get sick of them. So it's really worth it, I think. It's like the best deal. The best deal. They don't have 12 animals, so some of them you have to double up, but it's not bad. And then we got a monkey swinging. You see the monkey? He's swinging. Yeah. What else you see? Did you see the elephant? Look. Emmett, the elephant right there. You see it over there? Behind Abuela? Look this way. What's that? Elephant. Ah, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy grilled cheese. You gotta keep it on your plate, baby, okay? French fry. Alrighty, so we just had dinner. We'll tell you once we leave. It's really noisy in here, so we'll tell you. But there might be a little birthday surprise family coming. Look, look, Emma, it's for you.
We made you something special. We made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and touch. Cafe from Rainforest Cafe.
Hey, thank you. Now blow out the candle. Blow. Hey, good job. Is that your cupcake? What's that? Is that a cupcake?
You want to try it?
Do you want to taste it? You want to taste it?
Touch it. Poke it.
Hey.
Go ahead. Go in.
Woo. You want to use the spoon? Hey, good job. Do you want to taste it?
Gonna fall off the table.
Hey, yummy, yummy. He's not big into sweets,
You might like the cake though.
but we always try. All right, that was our trip to Animal Kingdom. It was a good time, right?
Beautiful time.
Lion King, we saw that safari animals, we did Rainforest Cafe. A very happy birthday to this little one. Happy birthday, baby. 4 years old. Can't wait to see what happens this year for him. I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie, and thank you for being a part of my world. Bye.
Bye-bye.